So we are here at 876 Balsam Road in West Creston on a dead-end road. It is so quiet, private. It's absolutely amazing. And this is the long driveway that goes into the property. So this is the home. So the garage, the entrance, and then the home. And it does have a really nice little backyard and a creek on the property, which I'll show you. All right, and then we have the well here. So it is a dug well, and the creek. All right, the creek is really pretty. I don't know if I never get a really good shot of the creeks, but here it is. It has a little bit of a cute water feature. I don't know, you can hear it, right? Anyways, it's really nice. All right, and let me try to take you to the backyard. Such a beautiful place. Okay, just headed to the backyard. They have it fenced because of the puppies. And here it is. So again, the red line is just for property, so we have an idea where everything is situated. And this is the back of the home. Has a little tool shed there as well. It's just absolutely beautiful. And we're back here at the back of the house. And just gonna walk a little bit more here. Here's that tool shed. And there's the home. Look at that beautiful tree. But I'm digressing. Okay. Just gonna follow this red tape. The property's over an acre, so it's a really nice chunk. And then this is the side of the house here. So it has this beautiful lawn, trees, a lot of privacy here, that's for sure. And this is the side of the home, of course. And this is the sun is glaring. Okay, see if I can get in here. So this is the side of the home. This is where we came in on the driveway, and we just kind of did a loop around. Right, so as soon as you walk in, we have this mudroom area. So fantastic to unload, of course, leave the outside. So this door goes to the garage, and then this goes to the home. So we have a washer dryer, which is really handy to have outside here as well. And that gives us more space in the inside of the home. And also this is kind of where you unload your dirties. So this is a little bit of a hallway as well. So tons of storage on this side, even more storage here on the left-hand side here. And you can see there's some shelving, just lots of storage. And then directly to my right is a cheater bathroom. So this is a full bathroom with a shower and tub, which I will show you from the other end because that's the master bedroom as well. So we have a furnace on propane and this bright, large kitchen. So double sinks, nice windows, and it's actually really spacious. Nice laminate floors. And this is a little bit of like a U shape here, which is really practical for space. And then you still don't lose any of that cabinet storage. And then it has that over the island kind of storage here. And here, let me see where I can show you the dining room from which angle. So again, that's the kitchen, and it opens right up to the dining room area. I know some clients have removed the top here, the bulkhead, because they didn't need the space, and then that just really could open up this living room, dining room, kitchen kind of area. And yeah, so dining room is really big. It has a big window as well. And then this is the living room area. And I'll just walk over to this side. So very big living room, big windows, a lot of natural light. And this goes to the back deck. So this is really nice. I will show you that as well. Let's go take a quick look at the master. So large master bedroom, really nice. Big windows, and this is the closet, so it has literally floor to ceiling closet space. And yeah, and that bathroom. So when we walked in, this bathroom was right at the entrance. Again, really handy if you're coming in from the outside. And then it does have a shower and a tub right here. All right, let's take a look at the other bedrooms. So the other bedrooms have been used for storage. So there's a couple of items there that we will just think about it being vacant. So as soon as we walk in from the dining room, so here's the dining room and here's the bathroom. So again, really handy if you have guests. And this also has a tub and shower. So it's a completely full bathroom. And then 2 bedrooms on this side. So really nice because you have your master all the way on this side, and then the 2 bedrooms on this side if you have guests or children and you just want a little peace and quiet when you're sleeping. So this is that other bedroom. It is quite spacious here. It is really big, and it has a big window facing the back. And then this is that other bedroom, which we are using for office right now. So again, it does have a closet here, one of those floor to ceiling closets, and a big window here. So lots of space, big spaces here. The rooms are really big, living room, everything is quite spacious. So, oh yes, I was going to show you the outside. So from the living room, this is that outdoor space. So it comes right out here. So it's really lovely. Have a little seating area here, which is nice. And then a few stairs down, and then you have this beautiful space here. So there's a plug for the hot tub. This hot tub's not working right now, so I'm not sure if it's going to stay or not. But yeah, so there is plug in for that. And then you have this beautiful backyard. A tool shed. And the red tape signifies the property line. They were so sweet to put that there for us, so it's approximate. But yeah, so that kind of concludes the inside. And of course, as usual, if you have any questions, let me know. 604-789-8202. Track me down. Just a quick note, the kitchen has this awesome skylight. I just wanted to throw that in there. Right, I did want to make sure I get you guys to see the garage. So this is the front entrance to the home, and then the garage would be just here off the mudroom. And then there is a door, a single car door as well. So lots of space here for workshop, storing your vehicle or working, or yeah, just a lot of cool space. And that's the garage door there. And then there's like a little office area here. There's a door, and then there's like a little office or more storage or whatever you choose to have here. It's just really, really nice to have. And then there is another door back here for more storage. So again, storage is super needed, especially on like a small acreage. So there's even more storage here, which is awesome. All right, so hopefully that gives you guys a really good idea.